Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm back with another haul video and this one is a little bit different. It's actually a collaboration with a brand called Lily Silk and I'm going to be showing you a few of their products. They basically specialize in silk products and I love silk stuff, so I thought it would be really nice to collaborate with them, but also I really wanted to try out their products. So without further ado, let's get straight into this haul. I'm also going to show you how to style up these pieces, and there's 3 different ways to style up each one so that you guys can see how versatile they are. So let's get straight into it, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload a new video every week and I would love to have you back here. So Lily Silk is a brand based in Asia. They've been featured on Japanese television, they've had celebrities purchase from them, and basically what they do is they specialize in luxury silk. They have everything from pajamas to bedding to clothing, but everything is silk based. I am super keen to try out their bedding, but I wasn't able to get my hands on it for this haul. But I've heard like silk bedding is so good for your hair, it stops it from getting damaged, it's antibacterial, it basically has loads of good properties. But in this video I have a few clothing items for you guys, and I'm so excited to show you these items because I think they're very classic pieces that are definitely worth the little bit of extra investment for it being real silk. They're going to look amazing, they're going to last for a really long time, and now they have a sale going on, so you're going to get it at amazing prices. There's also a discount code which I will share with you at the end of this video, and also, like I said, there is a sale, so I will be linking the details of everything down below, but don't forget to check it out. The sale I think ends on the 13th of August, so do check it out quickly because if items get kind of sold out, they won't be replacing them. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you the first piece. So firstly, guys, the packaging is so nice. Everything comes in these boxes, folded in really nicely. It's like 1 item per box, and I think it's so nice. I love these boxes, and they're so useful to like keep, for example, the bedding. If you don't want it to kind of get like tangled up on anything, you can put it here after it's washed if you're kind of replacing it with something else at that point in time. So I'm going to open this box and show you the first item. So the first item is this really lovely bomber jacket, and actually I really wanted a bomber jacket because I saw Olivia Palermo, which if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll know she's my absolute kind of style heroine, and I really wanted a bomber jacket. I thought it was a very good kind of cover up for the kind of spring summer months. In London it's never super hot, although I have to say we've had a really good summer this year, but normally it does get a little bit colder in the evening, so it's nice to have something light to cover yourself with. And this one is all pure silk, but then it has this like kind of stretchy fabric on the neck and the sleeves and the cuffs, like a classic bomber jacket. It has a silver, but it's more like a champagne-y gold / silver zip down the middle. So it's a classic bomber jacket, but the fact that this is pure silk makes it really lightweight, and it has a beautiful fall. As you can see, it looks so nice on. It has a really nice kind of drape to it, and I think because it's in such a neutral color, it's kind of a blushy tone. I think it would go with most things in my wardrobe. So now I'm going to share with you 3 ways to style up this item because I think it's so versatile and there's so many different ways to wear it. So for option number 1, I have styled this in a very casual way with a pair of shorts, pair of trainers, and a white shirt. I think this outfit is really nice because it's not too casual, like you can definitely go out for lunch with this, but obviously because you're wearing shorts and trainers, it's very comfortable, it's great for running errands around, and the jacket is just something really nice which adds a bit of detail, a pop of colour, and it's just kind of easy and a nice throw on for when you're feeling a little bit colder. I would love to wear this for kind of lunch or brunch or just to run around on the weekends and do errands. Very comfortable, but I think the bomber jacket definitely gives it a very kind of chic, stylish vibe. For option number 2, I've paired this bomber jacket with a dress, and initially I never thought I would wear a bomber jacket with a dress, because especially a midi length dress, because the bomber jacket is quite loose fitting and a little bit long, but I actually think it looks really nice with this one. You can definitely zip it up and that will cinch you in at the waist because it obviously has the elasticated waist, but I also think it looks great just like that. This dress is from Lovely Pepper collection, and it's from a blogger who has her own brand, Lovely Pepper. If you haven't checked her out, I will link her details down below, but I love this dress. It's so easy for the summer. It's a black dress with a slit, and it's just really casual and very easy to throw on. And then I've paired it with some flats and the bomber jacket, which just gives it a very, very stylish vibe. Because it's a strappy dress, it's really nice to carry this because it's very, very lightweight. You could probably put it into your bag, and then if it gets a little bit colder in the evening, you can just throw this on. I also love these bomber jackets just thrown over the shoulders without actually putting your sleeves in. So definitely a few different ways to wear it. And for my final option, again, a kind of casual option that you could dress up if you added a pair of heels. Something that's very kind of classic. I've added a pair of black jeans with my flats and then a white plain t-shirt and this bomber jacket over the top. I think the bomber jacket again just gives it a very stylish vibe. Here I've decided to zip it up, but obviously you could just keep it open. And yeah, it's just really nice, a nice cover up. You can definitely dress this up or down. I think it would also look great with like suit trousers if you wanted to give a suit a more casual vibe than with a blazer. So definitely a lot of different ways to wear it and something really lightweight and very practical. My second item, again, is in this lovely box. Is something that obviously you won't have so many wears to style it because it is a piece of nightwear. But I'm so excited to show you guys this because I think it's one of my favorite pieces in the haul. So it is this kimono style robe. The silk is absolutely luxurious. It's so nice. I mean, the one in the bomber jacket was really nice, but obviously because it was a very lightweight material, you could feel it a little bit less. But in this one, the silk is a little thicker and it's just such a luxurious quality. It feels really, really good. I think for the price point, it definitely is worth the money. It does feel kind of like lightweight because it's obviously pure silk, but at the same time, it doesn't feel flimsy. It's so smooth, it's so soft. I love the piping detail in white. I really like this blue shade as well, a very classic shade, and I think it would go with so many of my nightwear. I want to get the matching pajamas, but they didn't have them, but they do have a matching set of pajamas, which I'll link the picture on the screen now so you guys can see it, and I really want to get my hands on those. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. I love the tie waist. I think it has a really nice length. It's not too long and it's not too short. If you want to wear it with a nightie, it looks great. If you want to wear it by itself, if you're kind of getting ready around the house, it's really, really nice. And I just feel it's so classic. It's a piece you're going to keep for years and years and years. If you wash it carefully, it can last a really long time, and I just love the quality, and the sleeves are so nice. I think it just adds such a glamorous touch with these kind of kimono style sleeves. And finally, for my last item, this shirt that I'm wearing right now. This shirt is also stunning. I love silk shirts. I think they're so versatile. There's so many ways I could wear this. I feel it looks so luxurious and they're so in. I just saw Lydia Elizmillan do a Instagram post with a silk shirt at an Armani event that she was at, and I just think this one is so similar. But obviously at a much better price point as well, and it's 100% pure silk. I really like the fact that the buttons are concealed. I think it makes it look a little bit more formal as well. The neck is really, really lovely, and you can obviously leave the buttons more closed or more open depending on how sexy you want to make the look. The cuffs are also really nice, and I like that it's kind of a boxy fit, a little bit of a masculine fit, so it doesn't fit too tight, and I like that kind of baggy feel to the shirt. I think it makes it look more blousy than a shirt, and I just really like the drape and fall it has to it, and obviously because it is pure silk, it does fall really nicely, and because it is very good quality silk, it isn't see-through at all. So I'm also going to show you 3 ways to style up this one, so let's get started. For option number 1, I've decided to style this up in a very kind of officey style. So I've decided to go for these trousers in a navy blue. They're crop trousers at the ankle, which are really in right now. To add a little bit of height, I've added these shoes, which are like kind of ankle length booties, which are very formal, and they're in black suede, and you could definitely wear them to the office, but it also adds a little bit of an edgy factor to it because they have a little bit more of a special shape to them. I think the height just elevates the outfit completely, but obviously you could wear this with flats as well if you wanted to be a little bit more comfortable. I think this is a classic combination of navy and white. I really love it, and I think this is perfect for the office. You could obviously add a blazer over the top if you wanted to, but I also think it looks really, really nice like this. And because I've kept a couple of buttons open, it's really nice because you can show off your jewelry around your neck as well. For option number 2, I've decided to go for more of an evening outfit, although you could definitely wear this for the daytime as well if you decide to pair it with flats. I've kept the same shoes. These booties are just so amazing. There's an unboxing video for them, which I'll link on the screen now if you guys haven't watched it. But yeah, they're just so nice. They're so edgy. I feel they add such a special touch to the outfit. And then I've paired it with my shorts. These are tweed shorts, and they just look so nice. Again, they're in like a navy blue and a lighter blue kind of colors. I think they pair so lovely with the silk shirt, and I've left it a little bit more kind of open and slouched back the shirt to make it a little bit more sexy, and I think this makes it perfect for evening. And because the shirt is white, you can just pair it with absolutely everything, or they do have lots of different color options on the website. And finally, for the last look, I've decided to use the shirt as a little bit of a cover-up, and I've paired it with this knit dress. This is a maxi dress, really it's kind of ankle length, very kind of in this summer, and I think the shirt as a cover-up is really nice because it kind of cinches it in at the waist, gives my body a little bit more shape. Because the dress is kind of stretchy, it just makes me look kind of very straight up and down because I don't have a lot of shape around my hips. So I feel like this kind of cinches me in and it gives a really nice shape, and it also is great when you don't want to go out in like straps because it gets a little bit colder. I think it gives it a very chic touch. It completely transforms the outfit, and this is great for brunch or lunch or running errands because I'm wearing it with flats. But if you did want to add a bit of height, maybe some sandals with a bit of a heel could also look really, really good. Okay guys, well that was everything from me. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I've been so impressed with the quality of these pieces, and to be honest, I think the kind of price they have for the quality they have is very, very reasonable. Do let me know what your favorite outfit was below, and if you have tried them out, what you thought of their products. I do have a great discount code for you guys. There's 15% off, and the discount code for this is going to be on the screen right now, and I'll also put it down in the info box below, as well as all the products I featured in this video. They will all be linked down below, so don't forget to check that out. But yeah, don't forget to check out their website, guys, and use the discount code to get a little bit of a better price. Plus, they also have a sale going on right now, and they really, really slash their prices. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, guys, and also don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!